Peppy, are you ready for math today? I sure am. Good. Okay, I tell you what I would like you to do, please. What's that? Could you please practice counting by 5 up and down, okay? That's an easy one. Yes, but we haven't done it much lately, so we need some review. Okay. You ready, kids? Okay. Everybody stand up, please. Everybody. Okay, here we go. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5. Woo. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. Woo. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. Woo. 39, 36, 33, 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, and 0. Oh, nice job there. Why don't you do a few of those from the back wall for me, please, okay? Okay, let's see. Who knows? How many centimeters in a meter? Centimeters in a meter, who knows? Steffi, centimeters in a meter. 100. Good job, Steffi. Okay. How many inches in a yard? Who knows? Hazard. 36. Good job. How many ounces in a pound? Who knows? Alexandra. 16. How many things in half a dozen? Who knows? Who? Andre. 6. How many cups in a gallon? Who knows? Who? Samuel. 16. How many quarts in a gallon? Who knows? Dariel, quarts in a gallon. 16. How many cups in a quart? Who knows? Evan. 4. Okay. See you guys on Monday. Adios. Thank you, Peppy. Okay, let's see. Today's paper, we're going to need this one right here, okay? Page 117, 118. Okay, we got the fish up here. On the back, we're going to start up here. Okay? Alrighty. So this is subtraction. You guys know how to do subtraction. It's not a big deal, okay? But, okay, up here we have money. These are tens, dimes. Who can tell me? If we have 4 dimes, how much is that? Who can tell me? How about Lizelle? How much money do we have? How many centavos do we have there? How many centavos? 10, 20, 30. We have 40, right? Okay. So, there we go. We got 40, right? Now, we want to subtract 20. Take 20 of them off, right? Uno, dos. Okay. If we take 40 minus 20, how many do we have? This is not hard, is it? No. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. Right? Piece of cake, right? Cool. Okay, down here, same thing. We're going to do subtraction. Remember, on subtraction, you always start on this side first. You do this side first, then this side. So we go, 0 minus 0 is 0, right? 4 minus 2 is 2. It's 20, right? Do the whole page. You don't need my help. That's too easy. Okay, next part here. Look very carefully. Write the number. Before and after by what? 5s, okay? Down here, we have dollars. How many dollars are there? Can you count them? 6, good, okay. And it says circle 1/2 of the dollars. Who can tell me what is 1/2 of 6? Duh. What two numbers make 6? 3 and 3, good. Okay, Nylea, what is 1/2 of 16? 8. Steffi, what is 1/2 of 22? 11. Daniela, what is 1/2 of 16? 8. Allison, what is 1/2 of 12? 6. Okay, we got that one. How about what is 1/2 of 1 hour? How many minutes in 1/2 of 1 hour? Joshua, minutes in half an hour. 30. Good. Okay, so we got that. So we're going to count by 5s here, before and after, right? Here, we're going to do half the dollars. Circle 1/2. Cool. Okay, the other side, right? You know how to do this. You know how to read a thermometer. Don't forget, count by 2s. Okay, now this part here with the clocks, okay? Now it says set the clocks. Now what you want to do here is be a little bit careful. See how good you can do, okay? Now the first one says 2:15, right? Now remember, the 15 part's the easy part, right? And remember, I want you to get your hands all the way in there. Oops. All the way in there, right? Okay? Now, we're part way around the clock, right? So we need to go part way around between here and here, right? Now, if we go all the way down to here, it would be right there, right? Right? It would be right there. But we're only halfway between there and there, right? Right? So halfway between here and here would be, boom. So our hour hand is going to be like that. Do you see that? Kind of cool, huh? It's not right at the middle. It's not right at the middle. I don't know if you can see that. Not right at the middle, but it's a little over. Okay, our next one is 8:25. Okay, 8:25. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, 25 is the easy part, right? Right here, 25. There's our 25. Now, that's almost down to 30, right? Okay, so here's 8, and here's 9, right? 25 is almost halfway, right? So what do we need to do? Go halfway between there, right? To where those two numbers are. You see that? Halfway between here and here. And that's where we're going to start aiming our little hand. Kind of cool, huh? You think you can do that? Okay. And the last one is 4:40. Okay. Okay, 4:40. Well, the 40 part's the easy part, right? There's the 40. Now, see that? So we're going to go between the 4 and the 5, right? Between the 4 and the 5 is where we're going to put our hands, right? Now, here's the halfway part. That would be 430. But we're going to go a little bit past that, right? And if we went up to here, it would be right there. But we want to go, so we're going to put it maybe right there, right? There. See that? Okay? So see if you can do that, okay? It's not really that hard, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but you just try and see if you can do that, okay? Okay. Down here we have 3 numbers. We have 3 numbers. And our numbers are 58, 36, and 44, okay? And we have 3 places to put them, okay? We need to put the least, the smallest one here, the least. The greatest one, the biggest one. Greatest one here, and the middle one there, right? Okay, so we have 3 numbers here. Which is the smallest? We have a 50, a 30, and a 40. Who's the smallest? Which one is the smallest? The 36, right? Okay, so we do that. Okay, now, which one is the biggest? We have 58 and 44. Who's the biggest? Well, 50 is bigger than 40, right? Okay, so we put our 58 here. And who's left over? 44. So here we have 30, 40, 50. Is that right? It is right. Okay, last part of our lesson today. Okay, last part is 2 circles. We have 2 circles. Boop, 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 boop. And what they want you to see, we have 1 circle. We'll draw a circle up here. Ooh, that's a terrible circle. Let's see if we can do better. Okay, and we're going to divide it into 4 pieces, right? We're going to divide that into fourths. And it says we want to color 1/2 of that yellow. Well, I don't have a yellow marker, so I'm going to make it brown. Okay? Now, you see that? If you're looking very carefully, we have 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. Do you see that? So 1/2 is made up of how many fourths? 2, right? So we say, we write over here, 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 1/2. Right? 1/4, let's do this. Start over here. 1/4 plus 1/4 equals, how many fourths? 1, 2. 2/4 equals 1/2. Okay, see that? 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4. And 2/4 is the same as 1/2. We're going to be learning about that this year, okay? And right now that might not seem like really big important, but when you get to about fifth grade. Fourth and fifth grade, you're going to be starting to do really fun stuff. We call these fractions with our fractions. So we want you to start learning about them now, because people in Honduras, the schools do not teach about fractions. And parents don't know about fractions, and they see them and they get scared. Oh no, what is that? I don't know. And they're no big thing, right? It's like being afraid of a spider. You know, he does his little stuff and you do your little thing, and as long as you stay away from it, he's not going to hurt you, right? Spider's not going to hurt you. Might look ugly, but, you know, right? Okay. These are fractions. The number on the bottom tells you how many pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number on the top is how many you're talking about. Right here, we're talking about 1. Here we're talking about 1. But if we put them together, we have 2. 1, 2. We have 2/4, right? We have 2/4. And we see that that is the same thing as saying 1/2. And you know why? What is 1/2 of 4? What is 1/2? If you divide 4 in half, what do you get? 2. Huh? Isn't that cool? And we'll learn about that a little later too. Halves and thirds and six and all sorts of really cool stuff. But we're starting now so you don't get scared of them, okay? Because there's nothing to scary about, okay? So down here it says color 1/2 yellow and 1/4 blue, okay? That's all you have to do, okay? That's your paper for today. Have fun and have a great weekend.